welcome back to another Jacob Morris video. Now today I thought I would do a little setup tour, room tour, whatever you want to call it, just to show you what I use for my videos, just my setup in general. So when you come in, curtains, guitar on that side, computer and picture on that side, and you can't see that. Wait a minute. It's better. There we go. Just got Batman poster, Rangers, drumsticks. This is an orange amp, as you can tell. It's a mini orange amp because I've got a small one. Oh my gosh, it's so dark. Okay, I'll start on this side. Tuner. Digital delay pedal. Don't know, no, you can't see that, but this one, there's one of this distortion pedal, and I think you could see that a bit. That's a wah pedal, and then you can put it in. Here's my ladder. Up to my bed. There's my cap, poster, dressing gown, pictures, jumper. Okay, wait. Okay. You can't see that, but trophies, my iPod, Lego cards, Lego, and a skull I made in the Isle of Wight, actually. Now we come on to our desk area. A couple more posters. Desk area. Fiddle toy. Simon is a bit like you have to remember the things. There's one of these things which you do. Fidget cube, dice, little rabbits, banana thing, maths, books in my diary, guitar, Epiphone, Les Paul model actually, and then come over to here, just my bookshelf. It's very dark, I'm sorry about that. That's my bookshelf. Now, and we come right here, clipboard, got some pictures on. Got the fur stool. Got my iPad plugged in. Just some drawings that aren't very good. Water bottle. Radio. Globe. Nintendo 3DS. Nintendo 3DS case under there, if you can see that. Transformer. If I turn this light on, you might be able to see better. There we go. There's a picture of me. A Rubik's Cube. Working things out. Model, glue stick, bullet, Pokemon cards, phone case. Just my keys. There you go. We've got a poster there. There we go. That is my room. Hope you enjoyed this week's video, or should I say months. And make sure to like and subscribe if you're new here. Excuse me. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do a weekly upload from now on. So it's what day is it today? It's Thursday? Yes, Thursday. So I'll do another one on Thursday next week. So that's all for now. See you next